Hello guys, this is Ref Kenny FX. Good day to you. I want to tell you tips on how to trade volatility 75. Tips on how to trade volatility 75 successfully and how to be profitable. Like if you have been following my channel for a while, I already I made a post on this signal, this volatility 75 signals. But number one thing is, if you want to be profitable on volatilities, you must do some things. Number one, you identify the trend of the market, and number two, you identify the key levels. Now look at this trade. Now this volatility 75 is on a downtrend, has been selling for a while now. So you already identify that it is a downtrend. So the next thing is you identify the key levels. And what are the key levels? Key levels means area of rejection, either support or resistance. Look at this. I identified my key level here using my rectangle. I identified my key levels here using my rectangle. And as you can see, look here. This place is a place where rejection happened first. This is the second rejection. This is the third. And this is the fourth. So definitely, this downtrend, immediately it approaches this, what they call this support level, there will be a reversal. But you just jump in for the reversal. I took it from here, but I closed it and I re-entered again today. So you don't just jump in. I jumped in after I confirmed this candlestick pattern. So now I said you identify the key levels. So now let me identify to you some key levels again. There is another key level here. When we go to lower time frame, you will be able to spot them very well. There is also another key level here. So, and as you can see, rejection here, another rejection here. So now, how do you switch? You switch. 4 things you need to consider before taking a trade. CEST. The condition, have you met them? Your entry matters a lot. Your stop and your take profit. Now look at this H4 now. I already took this entry, this signal earlier, but I closed it when I spotted that the market was actually doing somehow. Look at this now. Look here. It's created a double bottom. And what do? I long the market. Now, after identifying my key support levels, what do I do again? What are the conditions that will make me to take this trade? Now, you can call this pattern a continuation pattern. After a reversal pattern, we have the continuation pattern. And now what do? After identifying my key levels, I look for my conditions, which is looking for a chart pattern. And on this H4, I can easily spot like a chart pattern is about to happen. I'm talking about continuation pattern. Immediately I want to trade this. I already closed the market. I'm looking for a condition to re-enter this market again. See now, somewhere here, there is a rejection zone here. If I go to H1, you will be able to spot it very well. Look at it. This H1, you see there is a rejection here. This one also, sorry, let me place it very well. This place also, if you do this also, now there is another rejection level here. So now you remember that this is on a downtrend. You use your trend line to connect the lows, the lower lows. You see one low here, another low here, and another low here. Now you use it to connect the higher lows also. Look at it now. See me connecting these higher lows. Can you see me connecting these higher lows? Why did I connect these higher lows? Why? Look at this. There is a rejection here and there is another rejection here. So this market already gave me a bullish flag pattern. A bullish flag pattern. If you read about your candlestick, you will know. A bullish flag pattern. Look at the same thing here. A bullish flag pattern here. It touches the low here twice here. And look at this. This candlestick pattern gave us an entry. Now, what prompted my entry? Normally, the condition for a bullish flag pattern, I am to wait for this breakout here. For this breakout on the upper trend line before I long the market, before I buy the market. But what gave me this entry here? Now, I also identified another key level here. Using my rectangle, I identified another key level. If you look at this place, if you look here, you would see that this place is a rejection zone. Is a rejection zone. It has been rejected twice. Look at it now. Sorry. Look at it. Somewhere here, you would see that when the candle make a shooting star here, the market sold. The market sold, and look here, the price has already been rejected here. The price has already been rejected here. So what do you do? What do you do? I just go to H1 for my entry. Remember, I said CEST, condition entry. What gave me my entry? My H1. How did I enter on this H1? See, look at it. There is a rejection here. So I had to wait for this long weak candle, which means the sellers are unable to the sellers already lost momentum in the market, and I entered here. Look at, I entered there. I already have like 30 pips now, almost 30 pips. I already have almost 30 pips. So now I'll be looking out for another level here, because somehow this place is a rejection area. So probably a retest. Now if I want to buy this market, if I want to long it, I'll wait for a retest. When I wait for a retest, I'll do what? I'll long it. So remember the four things. You identify the trend of the market, you identify the key levels, and the condition. The conditions, is it the price action? You put in the price action patterns and so many more. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Still your boy Ref Kenny FX. These are the cheats of Volatility 75. Thank you guys, I love you.